Thank you. That was a nice beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to DAO's second night of entertainment and get-together. My name's Angela, and I'll be your presenter tonight. As some of you might know, DAO's main theme at K 2010 is Stronger Together. And this is really self-explanatory, ladies and gentlemen, because of course DAO means the strong and successful relationship between DAO and yourself, whether you are a colleague, an employee, or a DAO customer. And you have been achieving some amazing results with this combination and cooperation. And of course, this gives us another reason to celebrate tonight. Well, I hope you enjoyed this glamorous and fantastic evening with us. That was DAO's entertainment swing program for the night. The transfer buses are ready for you outside if you want to, and will take you back safe to your hotel. So I wish you a good night's sleep and see you again soon.